We all believe that animals deserve to have their own rights. They have the right to live in a home where they can stay. They have the right to be loved, to have food and water, and medical attention. Of the millions of people who own pets, the vast majority will reply, "Of course, they have those rights." All animals, especially those that live with us, such as our dogs and cats, even the fishes in the aquarium, deserve to be treated with the same treatment that we give with each other. Granted, these animals do not need comfortable couch to sleep on or clothing to wear, but they should be allowed to stay in a warm place to sleep and to have proper care. The first thing that we should talk about on the animal rights list should be their right to a warm, dry place to sleep. I feel sorry to the poor, unfortunate dog who is chained out and feels so out of place in the middle of the group. Would you even treat a child like this? Is this any way for a feeling creature to live? Should he not have a roof above him and a rug to lie on? All creatures deserve some place where they can get out of the weather. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just a warm house and an old rug would be okay for them. The next thing on the list on animal rights would be their right to attention. Just as we humans have our own social classes, animals have their packs. And in the case of domesticated dogs, their pack must be their owners. We are both essentially social creatures and need contact with other living beings to be able to function properly. It is an animal's right not to be confined and banished to a back room all day or outside all night. They have the right to be in our homes with us, or at least have our attention for a few hours every day. If this right is not accessible to them, they may feel abandoned with the lack of socialization. The third item on animals' list of rights should be the right to have food and water. We would never even consider the thought of forcing another human to go without food or water for a day or two. Why is it then that people think it is alright if their animal is without these two basic necessities? All creatures need food to survive, as well as fresh water every day. You cannot expect your pet to live long or well or merely table scraps and stale water. And lastly, and probably most importantly, calm your animal's right to receive medical care. Would you let a child die from an unknown illness? Neither should you allow your pet to suffer that fate. They deserve, at the minimum, yearly checkups and vaccinations against disease. This will help guarantee your pet a happier, healthier life. This right may seem a bit ridiculous for some people, but they really require so little effort from you. For your pet and all the animals, these things may mean the difference between a long, healthy life or a short, painful misery. These things are the same as what we would do for other people. Why are your pets so different? The amount of joy and companionship you receive in return for giving these 4 basic rights to your pet will far exceed the time and effort you put into achieving them. Thank you.